Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Google Pixel 11 series expected to bring brighter displays and AI powered upgrades. Google's upcoming Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro are expected to launch in August 2026 with major upgrades in AI, cameras, and performance. The phones may feature the new Tensor G6 chipset, improved OLED displays with higher brightness, and upgraded 50-megapixel camera sensors for better photography. Reports also hint at a new Pixel Glow RGB lighting feature, replacing the temperature sensor on Pro models. While battery sizes could be slightly smaller, improved efficiency may balance performance. Pricing in India may increase slightly due to advanced manufacturing costs and upgraded hardware. Apple MacBook Neo gets Rs 11 910 discount. During Amazon sale, Apple's budget-friendly MacBook Neo is currently available at a major discount during the ongoing Amazon sale. Originally priced at around the $69,900, the laptop can be purchased for an effective price lower by Rs 11,910 through instant bank offers, cashback, and exchange deals. The MacBook Neo features a 13-inch liquid retina display, Apple's A18 Pro chip, lightweight design, and long battery life, making it ideal for students and everyday users. The sale also includes no-cost EMI options, giving buyers a more affordable way to enter Apple's laptop ecosystem with premium performance and portability. iPhone 17 Pro Max gets massive discount. During Flipkart Sasa Lele sale, Apple's flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max is available at a significantly reduced price during Flipkart's ongoing Sasa Lele sale. Originally priced at around $149,900, the smartphone can now be purchased for an effective price close to $120,900 or $125,400 through direct discounts, bank offers, and cashback deals. The deal includes instant discounts on select bank cards along with additional cashback benefits. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch OLED display, A19 Pro chipset, and triple 48-megapixel camera setup, making it one of Apple's most premium smartphones currently available at a lower effective price. Amazon Prime Video introduces TikTok-style vertical video feed. Amazon Prime Video is testing a new feature called Clips, a vertical short video feed inspired by TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Netflix. The feature lets users scroll through short snippets from movies and TV shows to discover content more quickly on mobile devices. Users can instantly add titles to their watch list, share clips, or start watching directly from the feed. Amazon says recommendations will be personalized based on viewing history. The feature is currently rolling out to select users in the US on iOS, Android, and Fire tablets, with a wider launch expected later this year. Finance Secretary warns banks about cyber risks from advanced AI models. Finance Secretary M. Nagaraju has warned Indian banks and financial institutions about rising cybersecurity threats linked to advanced AI models like Anthropic's Mythos. He said such systems have the capability to identify and potentially exploit vulnerabilities in legacy banking infrastructure, creating serious risks for financial stability. Officials urged banks to strengthen cyber resilience, regularly test business continuity plans, and improve incident response systems. Nagaraju emphasized that modern banking risks now extend beyond traditional finance into AI-driven cyber threats, operational disruptions, and third-party dependencies, making cybersecurity a strategic priority for the entire banking sector. Jitendra Singh reviews preparations for Swachh Sagar campaign and Science Festival 2026. Union Minister Jitendra Singh chaired a high-level meeting to review preparations for the Swachh Sagar, Sagar 2026 coastal cleanup campaign and the upcoming India International Science Festival in Pune. The nationwide campaign will run from September 12 to 19, covering India's 11,098-kilometer coastline with participation from ministries, research institutions, students, and local communities. Officials also discussed expanding public engagement through the Sagar app and scientific monitoring under the Prithvi scheme. The meeting emphasized coastal conservation, marine protection, and increasing youth participation in science and environmental initiatives. Today's AI tool is Mistral AI, Europe's powerful OpenAI alternative for enterprises and developers. Mistral AI is a French AI company offering powerful open weight models and flexible deployment options for businesses and developers. Its assistant, Lisha, provides AI chat, coding, document analysis, image generation, and web search with competitive pricing and strong privacy controls. Mistral supports cloud, on-prem, edge, and VPC deployment, making it attractive for regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Its API is cheaper and compatible with OpenAI style integrations, while tools like Codestral and Mistral OCR enhance coding and document workflows. However, advanced reasoning performance still trails leading models like Claude and Gemini. Our lead story is about Cloudflare cuts $1,100 jobs. Despite record revenue, says AI replaced many roles, Cloudflare has announced layoffs affecting around 200 employees, nearly 20% of its workforce, despite reporting record quarterly revenue growth. The company said rapid adoption of AI tools across departments like engineering, HR, finance, and marketing significantly improved productivity, making several roles unnecessary. CEO Matthew Prince described the shift as part of preparing for the agentic AI era, where AI handles more operational tasks. Cloudflare's internal AI usage reportedly increased by over 600% in recent months. The move reflects a growing trend in the tech industry, where companies are restructuring around AI-driven efficiency. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.